Good morning. It's Saturday morning. I just wanted to give a quick update. I talked to somebody who was telling me they went to the bank and the bank is, it's fees and it's minimum deposits and stuff like that. Yeah, you have other options. So what I did was I left home this morning. I went to my local bank just to ask about opening up a savings account, and that's true. They told me that I would have to have a minimum of 200. They'll give me a 1 month. I have to bring that account up to $200, and if I don't, then it's also like a monthly fee. I think they said $2. I don't know. I stopped listening after certain stuff because you already not paying the interest. You paying a few cents, and then I have all these requirements too. So let me give y'all another option. Capital One, you can set up this account online. You can set up a checking account and a savings account. They are free. There are no minimums and there are no fees for that account. But going through Capital One, all you have to do is Google Capital One checking account, savings account, and then just go through that process of opening an account. Now, I already have a checking account with Capital One, and so I came back home, I sat down, I got on the computer, and I went through the process of opening up a saving account, and it took me probably 2 minutes because they already have my information in their computer, in the system. So I just, put in that I want to open a savings, and it was open just like that. So I'm finna show y'all just a little bit of what Capital One looked like. Okay, I'm over here on Capital One. I know you can't see my full screen, but please bear with me. I'm over here trying to get this camera right. But on Capital One, you can just Google Capital One checking account. You can open up a checking account. As you can see, they offer 24/7 mobile banking, no fees to open it, to keep it, or to use it. And then say, so your money stays where it belongs with you. And then they also have fee-free ATMs. Okay, so I already have a checking account. When you go to open it up, it will ask you, do you already have a login? I do, but you would say no. And then it's telling you, let's get started. We'll ask for your info like your name, your address, and your social security number, information that you'll need to open an account. And then you'll have the option to add money to that account right away. And once the account is open, you'll get your routing number and account number. And then they'll also mail you a debit card. So the next step would be to just get started, putting your information in. It does not take long at all to open these accounts. And then once you get that checking account open, if you want your paycheck going to that, you can take that account information to your job, to your HR, and let them know, hey, I want my money going to this account. They also have savings. So that first one, it was checking. I think y'all seen it, but I'm going to go back anyway. So the first one was a checking account. And then they have a savings account as well. So with these, 4.35 high yield rate and no fees. It's telling you no monthly or maintenance fees. So what you earn is what you keep. And then there's also no minimum to open the account or to keep the account online. So this is why I say go the free route. There's no need to go through the bank. So your account will be linked when you open a checking and a savings, and you'll still be able to transfer money. Also, I use a local bank. I have a checking account with the local bank. It is connected to this checking account as well. So my local bank, I can send money directly to my checking account through Capital One and then distribute that out to my savings or however I need to do it. So it can be linked. Also, another option that I have used for saving before, let me go. If you have your money coming in on a Netspend card, then they have a account where you can, all access account, where you can turn your prepaid account into like a banking account through Netspend, and then they have an option for a savings. So when I had NetSpend at one point in time, I was getting my paycheck going to my NetSpend account, and then I set up the savings for that account, and then I would just transfer a certain amount from the checking to the saving whenever my money came in, whenever my money hit that account. So if you already have NetSpend, that's a different option too. That's free. But just don't go paying them when you don't have to, because there are options. I mean, you don't have to pay these banks just to sit your money there. They making good off us already. Let's not give them any more. They don't need free money. So just look at your options. Google free checking accounts, free online. Find something free. That just don't pay for an account.